Hello guys, welcome to this new training video. In this video, basically, I'm going to give you the shortcut method to 10K per month with Clickbank, okay? This is for beginners also, this is for advanced marketers also. I'm going to show you my screenshot, I'm going to show you my results. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you free access to my entire traffic vault, which you're seeing right on the screen right now, okay? And also going to give you a done for you ready-made internet business box for free. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, there's a red button below this video that says subscribe. Just click on that red button and subscribe to my channel as soon as possible, because in the next few weeks I'm going to be uploading videos showing you new techniques about paid traffic strategies. Okay, this will include Google SEO and also Bing traffic. You don't want to miss this. So please subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button below this video. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you my screenshot. Now, you know that I normally don't promote Clickbank products unless there's a product that is legit, that is genuine, that is up to date, and that will help my customers go from 0 to 10K at least. Okay, so for the past 3 months, I haven't been promoting a Clickbank product. I've been promoting other opportunities, other system, but not Clickbank because I couldn't find a legit product on Clickbank that would help my customers. Okay, but all at all times, I always keep my eyes on the launches to see if anything is coming out that's going to be a good product, a legit product, and that will help my customers. So I found something. So I decided to promote this Clickbank product in the past 4 days. It's a very good product. The guy behind this, I know this person. I know him very, very well. He's a very good person. He actually, his products are up to date and he knows his stuff. Okay. So I decided to promote this product. So I'm going to show you one of my Clickbank accounts. And this is the Clickbank account that I normally use when I want to test a product out to see how it's going to go. Okay. So I'm going to show you. Like I said, I haven't been promoting Clickbank product for the past 3 months or so. Okay. So, but I just started to promote one Clickbank product in the last 4 days. I'm going to show you the product. I highly recommend you start promoting this product because the conversion rate for this product is extremely high. Okay, if you know how to drive some traffic, start doing it. And also, I'm going to show you where I got my traffic from, and I'm going to give you free access to my entire traffic training. So you don't have no excuse by saying I don't know how to drive traffic. I'm going to give you everything about traffic generation. You can see on the screen here, this is my entire traffic vault, and you're going to get free access to it. Okay, so let's go to my Clickbank account. So here's my Clickbank account. As you can see, I haven't been promoting products for the past 3 months. So that is the reason why you're seeing like $22 commissions and $56 commissions and $69 commissions. These are recurring billing from my past promotion. But then I decided to promote this one product that I just launched recently. Okay, it's been 4 days and the results is looking good. $552 in one day. Okay, Sunday was a $245 sale. Monday was $135 commission, and Tuesday was $298 commission. Okay, today just got started. It's just been about 2 hours or so. So later evening, hopefully, I will see some sales coming in here as well because I'm constantly driving traffic. Okay, so I decided to start promoting this product. It's looking good to me. The product is a very good product. I highly recommend you buy the product as well, and I highly recommend you promote the product as well. If you have a list, go for it. If you know how to drive traffic, start driving traffic to this product because this product is converting very, very well. I just started promoting this product, $1,271.88 this week, which is good. Okay, so now the question is, how did I drive traffic? Okay, so the traffic I drove was email traffic. Okay, I drove email traffic. Now, email traffic could mean a lot of things. You could, if you have your own list, you could send an email to your list. That could be email traffic, or you could purchase a solo ad from someone. You pay someone, and they will drive traffic for you. Okay, I have purchased a solo ad. I have my recommended top list of solo vendors that I know that they have a very, very quality list, and I just buy traffic from them. But most of the times, if you want to buy email traffic, the best source to go to is udemy.com. Okay, there's a link below this video in the description. You will able to click that link, get on Udemy, and when you join Udemy, you might get a $5 registration discount as well. And also you will get a special message from me, okay, within the network. And in that message, I talk about how I have been using Udemy to promote different opportunities, different systems, and including Clickbank products, and how you could do the same to start crushing it online. Okay. Now, I don't want to go into too much details how to use Udemy, how to choose the right person, because this video will get too long. But I have created another tutorial excuse me, I have created another tutorial that goes in much details on how to use Udemy and how to find the perfect and the right person to buy traffic from. Okay, so if you want to do email traffic, so this money what you're seeing here, okay, for the past 4 days is all from email traffic. If you want to start getting some quality email traffic, go to udemy.com. There's a link below this video. Just join through that link and you will get a special message from me within the network that explains this in more details. And I highly recommend you watch my other video all about Udemy on how to choose the right person, what you're supposed to look for when you're buying traffic. If you do that and if you follow those steps, there is no way you could fail. Okay. Let me show you another screenshot, okay? Now, I'm going to give you access to my free internet business box, okay? Now, this is the free internet business box. I'm giving you free access to this, okay? Now, let me show you something else before I show you this. Look at this. This person is making this amount of money every single day using a program called Clickfunnels. Now, what is Clickfunnels? Clickfunnel is a program where you could build landing pages, sales pages, membership sites, everything, webinar pages, everything with drag and drop and with one push button. Okay, so it's a win-win situation. It's a win-win situation where you get access to a complete tool to build landing pages, sales funnel. All my landing pages that you see are built from ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels. I've been a customer for over 4.5 years, and I love ClickFunnels. I recommend it to all my customers. It's a must if you want to succeed online and if you want to take your business to the next level. So it's a win-win situation. You get access to build landing pages, sales funnel, webinar funnel, membership sites, everything. And at the same time, you get to promote the program and you could make commissions as well. So this is my mentor. He's been using the same internet business box to promote this ClickFunnel program. And look at his results. Over $116,000 in the last 30 days. And I'm going to give you free access to this entire business box for free. You have to use it. You watch all the videos, join the recommended programs, and then you're going to get a done for you ready-made templates, landing pages, and a business box sales page. You just go out there and promote it. When your customers come to this, they will do the same, and this is the type of commission hopefully you will start to make once you start taking action. Okay, if you're going to be a lazy person, just sit around, nothing's going to happen for you. You have to take action. Okay, so this is my mentor's result. He's been using this business box, and I'm going to give it to you for free. Okay, I have been using this myself, and here's my results. You can see here. Look at this. Okay, you can see this. Okay, yesterday I was able to earn $165.60. The day before, $159.20, then $127, $162, and it's growing and growing and growing and growing. Okay, so I'm gonna give you free access to this internet business box. There's a link below this video to get access to this free business box. Okay. Oh yeah, I just forgot one thing. I promise you that I'm going to show you the Clickbank product that I am promoting, okay, right now. And the product is this one, okay? I highly recommend. This product is not listed in the Clickbank marketplace. So what you need to do is you need to go to jvnewswatch.com. That is jvnewswatch.com. And down there, you will see a product called Profits 365. Okay, Profit 365. You can see here it launched on the 7th of February 2019. Okay, it's a very, very good product. Get your affiliate link and start promoting this. It's a very good product. It's working and it's crushing it online. Okay. So what you do, you go there, go to jvnewswatch.com, register, go to this product, sign up, get your affiliate link, and then go to udemy.com. There's a link below this video and start buying some traffic, email traffic, and you will start making commissions. Also, don't forget to click the link below this video to get access to my internet business box where you will able to see commissions like this once you start taking action. The good part about this internet business box is that with this program called Clickfunnels, when you refer 100 people, 100 people, only 100 people, they will buy you a free car, a brand new car for free. Okay, you will qualify for a brand new car for free. Everyone dreams to drive a brand new car. Okay, Mercedes, BMW, Rolls Royce, Porsche. Everyone wants to, Aston Martin. Everyone wants to drive a brand new free car. So you could choose your own car, whichever one you want to drive. Guess what? ClickFunnels will pay for you. That's the beauty. So you're getting three things at once. One, you're getting access to a complete program to start creating landing pages, webinar pages, funnels, everything. Number two, you get to promote the program, start making commissions. And number three, when you refer 100 people, you qualify for a brand new car, a free car, which you could choose, which is your choice, whichever car you want to drive, and it will be all paid for you from ClickFunnels. Okay, so all the links are below this video, but wait a moment, there's one more thing I need to give you in this. Okay, I told you, I promised you that a lot of people are struggling with traffic. They don't know how to drive traffic. Okay, so let me just log out from here quickly. Okay, so a lot of people are struggling with traffic. Okay, so I gave you one traffic source here, but what about if I give you a complete traffic vault, a complete training on traffic? How cool is that? Yeah? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm giving you free access to my entire traffic vault here. Look at this. I'm giving you not complete traffic vault. I'm giving you access to some of the trainings of my traffic vault. Okay, not completely, but some of the trainings of my traffic vault for free, basically. Okay, so look at this. Look at this. Solo ad traffic. You want to learn how to do solo ads? There you go. There's the traffic training. Solo ad advanced traffic. Facebook advertising. Yeah. Free YouTube marketing. Viral YouTube traffic. 1 penny per visitor traffic. Okay. Facebook traffic. YouTube and local marketing traffic. Instagram traffic. I'm giving you access to my traffic vault. Okay, so you're going to get some of the modules that's going to be free for you. Okay, obviously I can't give everything to you because this is some kind of underground secrets that we use, and we just can't give it to everyone for free, because if we do, we're going to go into big problems. Okay, so we only give this to our priority customers. And so I'm giving you free access to some of the modules that you could learn, okay, for free. And below this video, there's a text called Ultimate Traffic Training. Okay, when you click on that link, you will get access to this Ultimate Traffic Training on how to drive traffic. Okay, so in this video, I covered my Clickbank results. I showed you the product that I'm promoting. I showed you where to get the product from. I gave you, I'm going to give you free access to my my ClickFunnels business box, where you could promote ClickFunnels as well. If you haven't joined ClickFunnels, you need to join ClickFunnels, man. This is a must for every online marketer. There should be a link below this video for ClickFunnels as well. You're going to get access to my ultimate traffic training. You're going to get access to the top traffic source that I'm using in my business, and you're going to get free access to my business box vault. Okay,